Alright guys, Matt Collum here. So today what we're doing is we're working on a camp kitchen. So I went camping last week and I thought if I had somewhere a little bit more organized for cooking supplies, thought it'd be a great idea. So I got some wood, I got some hinges and some latches here. We're gonna do a little camp kitchen. Here's a couple of ideas I've seen online. Kind of give you an idea of what we're shooting for. It's going to be large enough to put a Coleman stove at the top or a Magellan cooking stove at the top, and then have area underneath to have some of your food, your cooking supplies, seasonings, knives, things like that. Everything to do with cooking, just making basically a chuck box or a camp kitchen. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're pretty well wrapped up with the bulk of it. Of course we got to sand it, paint it. I'm gonna add some handles. You know, it's pretty rough, it's not exactly perfect, but for camping I think it's gonna work out just right. Alright, so pretty much got it done. Like I said, we're definitely gonna be sanding it down, painting it, probably add some handles to it. Think about putting maybe a cutting board or something on the inside. You can see here this falls down, so you've got a little bit of a work area. You can set this on the edge of a table. Might build some legs for it later on, not sure. Like I said, this is just kind of an idea that came to me. Of course the top folds back. I'm gonna add some lights here, so you have some lighting. And then of course, stove fits right in there. Scoot it to the side there so you have room for your gas, or I may drill a hole so that the gas can be on the outside. Haven't decided yet. I'll have to play with that once I get the fuel tank to it. Probably just drill a hole, that way it can be out here. That way I can use the large propane tank or the small propane tank. So I think either way we go. But yeah, this thing folds up. These fold up. Ready to go. And you've got some room in here for plates, cups, seasonings. Probably on the inside here, I'm thinking about putting maybe a cutting board on the inside. You could even attach your utensils to the inside, maybe using some stretchy or some Velcro or something. Yeah, I got plenty of room for everything. I think this is going to be plenty big enough. It's not too heavy. You can manage it. Like I said, you can set it on the back of a pickup truck if you wanted to, be ready to go. But yeah, I think this is a pretty good idea for anybody that likes camping a lot, and you don't want to have to load a whole bunch of different things. You can put all your cooking supplies, all your utensils, everything into one spot. You got plenty of room for extra fuel tanks. Put those in there. You got plenty of room for just about anything. So. So as you can see, there's plenty of room for plenty of stuff. You can put food in here, you know, your dry goods, you can put your seasonings, plates, utensils, bowls, cooking containers, extra fuel cylinders. Of course, I'm gonna have to probably put some bungee cords or something to make sure everything's secure. I'll have to look at that. I'm still working on it, not exactly 100%, but I think it's going in the right direction. So like I said, I'll put some stuff on the doors, probably put some lights up here at the top so you'll be able to see what you're doing. You can even hang some things on the inside right here, put some little hooks. You could even take maybe like a basket or something, hang on here, that way you have your utensils on the outside, something that could be removable so you can still use this workspace. So Appreciate you guys taking a look. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I know I kind of did the time lapse for the video. I used 1/2 inch plywood for this project, and of course just used an air nailer, wood glue, some little metal hinges, and some latches. So nothing special. About $40 worth of supplies for everything. Wasn't a big, huge, expensive project, so I think anybody could probably handle it. Just be careful working with any kind of woodworking tools. You know, of course, safety first. Make sure you're using your glasses, whatever safety precautions you need to take if you're going to use power tools. So this is my camp kitchen. So appreciate you guys. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.